Welcome back. Today we are looking at the mastering Intel Core i914900K SPC build with Intel Core i914900K desktop processor review. When Intel unleashed the pinnacle of its 14th generation architecture, the tech community erupted. Forums, YouTube channels, and hardware review sites were flooded with extreme claims. Check the video description for the updated price link. Some called it the ultimate silicon breakthrough, while others labeled it an unmanageable space heater that requires a custom liquid nitrogen loop just to boot up. Today, we are diving deep into an honest, myth-busting review of the Intel Core i9-14900K desktop processor, specifically contextualized within an ultra-high-end Intel Core i9-14900K SPC build. If you are an enthusiast, competitive gamer, or professional content creator looking to build a powerhouse machine, you have likely encountered conflicting opinions about these flagship processors. Are the power draws truly catastrophic? Does the 6 GHz out-of-the-box clock speed actually translate to real-world performance gains, or is it just a marketing gimmick? Let's cut through the internet noise, debunk the most persistent myths, and reveal what this processor can truly achieve when paired with high-end hardware. One of the most widespread myths surrounding the top-tier 14th Gen Intel processors is that they will instantly thermal throttle or melt your case unless you invest inches in expensive, complex custom water cooling loop. While it is undeniable that pushing 24 cores to their absolute limit generates significant heat, the narrative that air cooling or standard all-inches 1 AIO liquid coolers cannot handle it is completely overblown. Modern motherboards feature advanced power profiles, and modern AIO coolers, such as high-end 360mm or 420mm radiators, manage peak thermal loads exceptionally well during standard gaming and multi-threaded rendering tasks. Furthermore, if you are planning an Intel Core i9-14900K SPC build, proper case airflow and intelligent BIOS tuning, such as enforcing Intel's baseline power limits rather than unlimited motherboard vendor profiles, will keep temperatures completely within safe operational thresholds without sacrificing perceptible performance. To truly understand how this processor operates, we need to look past the myths and examine the raw specifications that make the i9-14900K and its bin sibling, the 14900KS, engineering marvels. Hybrid architecture combines 8 performance cores P-cores for heavy single-threaded workloads and 16 efficient cores E-cores for background tasks and multi-threaded efficiency. Blistering clock speeds capable of hitting up to 6.0 GHz out of the box specifically on the KS variant and matched closely by tuned K variants, representing one of the highest stock frequencies ever achieved on a consumer CPU. Massive cache equipped with 36 MB of Intel Smart Cache and 32 MB of L2 cache, significantly reducing latency during memory-intensive operations. Broad compatibility supports both DDR5 and DDR4 memory standards, as well as backwards compatibility with existing LGA 1700 motherboards, Z690 and Z790 series with a simple BIOS update. Advanced AI and Thread Director hardware-level thread scheduling ensures tasks are dynamically routed to the optimal core type instantly. Another common criticism is that the 14th generation refresh offers negligible performance gains over the previous generation. While it is true that the underlying architecture shares roots with Raptor Lake, dismissing the 14900K and 14900KS ignores how firmware refinements, improved binning, and higher frequency ceilings change the overall user experience. When you build a dedicated high-end system, perhaps while also researching specialized hardware setups like our related product guide for outdoor hobbies, every frame per second and every render time reduction matters to power users. The 14900KKS pushes minimum frame rates higher inches CPU-bound esports titles, reduces stuttering inches open-world games, and handles aggressive multitasking with zero hesitation. The stability at high clocks is markedly improved, making it a dream for enthusiasts who love tuning their hardware. Check the link in the description to get yours today.